Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you a mini luxury unboxing. It is from the house of Chanel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I do love Chanel, and who doesn't love Chanel? If you don't love Chanel, I don't know. No. I think I love all luxury brands, and today I am bringing you my mini luxury haul from Chanel. So this is going to be a quick, small, mini luxury haul from Chanel. If you like to watch luxury unboxings, please make sure you give this channel a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up to this video if you like luxury unboxings. And let's get straight into this mini luxury unboxing from Chanel. Are you ready? Because I am ready. All right, so we are leaning today. Yes, I don't know what I'm trying to do. But hi and welcome. I hope you are having a beautiful day. If it's daytime when you watch it, if it's nighttime, I hope you are having a very interesting night. Let's get into this mini luxury unboxing. I'm just moving around like I'm crazy. Here is the little Chanel bag. Comes with the camellia flower signature to Chanel. And then of course the ribbon that has Chanel written all over it. You've seen these things before, but it never gets old for me. So I'm just breaking it down, giving you all the little interesting details that are interesting to me, and I hope they are interesting to you. So you have the ribbon, the camellia, the small mini black bag from Chanel. Let's open it. And inside we have the box, and we have the mini haul damage. Yes, this is the mini haul damage. Thank goodness it's a mini haul. All right, so I have definitely been trying to pay off my bills, and since I'm trying to pay off my bills, you know, we don't have a lot of extra money for a lot of luxury goods, but I found some. I found a little bit, and that's why it's a mini haul. So here is the box. Beautiful packaging. I just love it. I want to one day do a picture with all of the camels that I have and or all the ribbon. That would be cute. I don't know how much ribbon we would need to cover up my whole body, but yeah. Anyway, okay, off the subject. Okay, let's unbox this mini luxury haul. Okay, so we have the ribbon off. So inside the box, we have this little Chanel booklet. I usually don't get into this booklet much. I don't know why, but this is what is inside the box. Then we have this very like a velvet, smooth to the touch packaging, and it says Chanel on it. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here, did I say that? Oh my goodness, I'm not for sure when I picked it up, but it has been over a week. If you have not seen my latest Chanel unboxing, I did do a mini luxury unboxing about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I'm not for sure, but make sure you go back and check that out. I am on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Subscribing to my channel is free to you, and it helps me out. So please make sure, if you like luxury unboxings, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me show you what about. This is what I got. I absolutely love it. So I got a necklace. It's metal and lambskin and has an imitation pearl. So I looked at several options. Well, really it was only two other options. One with a double C that was really bold, and then this one. And I thought this was very nice, pretty dainty, has the lambskin woven in the chain, just like on the handbags. And then it has the double C's, and we have what? Bling. Yes, because girl, I love bling. I love me some bling. And then we have the perfume bottle. So of course, I love bling and I love fragrance. I love to smell good, and I love to be shiny like a diamond, like a shine, like a diamond. So I just love it. I love it. I love it. It almost looks like one of the perfume containers that I have in my room. I think I got it from Z Gallery. I'm checking it out really close where I won't miss any of the details. It does have the diamond pattern etched into the necklace. So this is like, quote unquote, a mini replica of a handbag on a necklace, but with the perfume emblem. So I just love it. I love it. On the tag, it says golden, black, and crystal. The price of this beautiful golden necklace, this is metal, and this is lambskin, and the price is $900. Here is the tag right here. If you'd like to get something like this, or if you'd like to get this one, this is very recent. I picked this up at the South Coast Plaza Chanel boutique. So there you are. This is how the chain looks. You have the lambskin that is woven through the chain. I hope my camera is picking it up. And then you have the fragrance decanter with the diamond pattern etched inside of the perfume. And then here's the chain. And here is the back. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Oh, and look, at the back, it has the lobster claw clasps, and then at the back, it has the little double C's that dangle from the clasps. I love this. And you can get, this is a better picture of the chain. It's not too thick. I think it's very thin. It's very dainty. Oh, I love this. And here are the crystal C's, are the diamantes, and then here is your pearl. So that was it for my mini luxury haul from Chanel, my beautiful, beautiful Chanel necklace. Comment below if you like my new necklace. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. Yes, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.